Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of ordinary differential equation asked in GATE 2022. So our question is, let yx be solution of the following initial value problem, this where x greater than 0 and this is the initial condition, then y4 is, and this is the option. So how we solve? As this is Cauchy equation with non-constant, that is variable coefficient. So here let x is equals to e की power z, let z is equals to log x. Now we have to put what? d minus 1 in the place of what? X square, dy upon dx, and d in place of x, dy by dx. If we put this in here, what we get? See here, d minus 1 minus 4d plus 6 is equals to 0, or y is equals to 0. So here d square minus 5d plus 6 is equals to 0. So if the auxiliary equation become ym square, 5m plus 6 is equals to 0. So this is the auxiliary equation. So what is the root of this? M is equals to 2, 3. So our solution is y is equals to c1 e raised to power 2z plus c2 e raised to power 3z. If we put value of z here, from here we get y is equals to c1 what? X square plus c2 x cube. So this is the required solution. Now we will apply what? Condition here. So first we find derivative of this y dash is equals to 2c1x plus 3c2x square. Now we will put the condition. At y2 is equals to 0, what we get? Y is equals to 4c1 plus 8c2, which is equals to 0. This is equation first. And y dash of what? 2 is equals to 4, what we get? If we put here 2, what we get? 4c1 plus 12c2 is equals to 4. Equation number second. Now solving equation first and second, we get find what? c1 and c2. So by solving first and second, c1 is equals to what? Minus 2 and c2 is equals to what? Now put here c1 c2, what we get? Here we put c1 c2, where what we get? Y is equals to minus 2x square plus x cube. This is our equation. So but we have to find this equation at 4, y x is equals to 4. So y of 4 is equals to what? Here we put minus 2 into 4 square plus 4 cube. What we get? 30 minus 32 plus 64, which is equals to 32. So our option B is correct. So this is the solution of required question. What we do? First we let x and the put value, so put this in place of this and this in place of this. Solving this, we get required equation. By applying the condition, we get c1 c2, we will put here and get the required solution. And by applying the condition where we have to find the value, that is x is equals to 4, we apply here and get the answer. So this is the required solution of our differential equation. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, you can hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.